We have all had those questions. Why was I born? What is my purpose in this lifetime? How do I find out? Well, there may be an answer in joining us Wednesday, November 15th at 6:30 with Barbara Toritto in the Energy Enhancement Room. She's going to take us on a journey back in time. Barbara is a clinical hypnotist and medical intuitive, and she's going to help us access our soul's memory. So somewhere in there, there's a clue or perhaps even an answer for you. We'll be relaxing in those zero gravity chairs in the energy enhancement room, receiving those extra scalar wave vibes that will help us perhaps even faster know what we need to do in this lifetime. Barbara is an expert at this, and we would love to have you join us. So you can sign up at our Infinite Possibilities link right on the bio or beneath this video. Love to have you. Come join us. Thanks. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior, and I would love to show you around Infinite Possibilities Center in Marlton, New Jersey. See you then.